As you can see the schematics here, I started this project over 1 year ago and I just abandoned it because, well, it doesn't work. There are a lot of issues with this project, and in particular the one that I found while developing it, it's that um, it's not getting enough current, maybe because every time I want to run a function, it just resets. So I found a way to bypass this and I connected the nrf modules, all of them, to 5 volts instead of 3 volts, and it was working while using the breadboard. But now it seems it's doing the same thing even if connecting all the modules to 5 volts. So that is not the issue. As suggested on some forums, I've tried switching the nrf modules to a separate battery, so it gets separate current, not from the ESP, but it does the same thing. Unfortunately, this is the worst project that I've ever worked on, and this is because the origin developer of it, which is Cypher, I think, Cypher Tech, is not responding at all. I've tried reaching out on Insta, I've tried reaching out on Git, I've even opened some issues on Git, on his Git page, and he's not responding. I saw that multiple users are having the same issues as I do, and I guess there's no coming back to this. You'll see at the end that the issues are still persisting. So some of you requested another version. These issues are for all the versions available. So it's not only for the latest update or for the previous versions. It's every version has its issue. For example, for some versions, you can't even deploy the code. You can't even compile the code. There are issues on top of other issues. So this project is just a mess. I can say it was fun working on it. There are multiple modules, multiple pins. I've enjoyed more working on the word driver, especially the latest one that I built over 1 year ago, my word driver test bench. And for that one, there was a lot of soldering and a lot of thin wires. For this one, well, since it's not working as expected at the end, it's not very enjoyable. You are just wasting time with it. As I said, it was working, or partially working. Some of the functions were working while being on the breadboard. As soon as I solder it, it's not working still. It has the same issues as before. So I think it's just about the code, not the soldering. It happens, it goes, it comes back. I've checked all the wires. I have continuity, so not a problem of wires or soldering. It's about the code. I know that lately I've posted less than I posted a couple of months before. And this is because of the YouTube algorithm. I'm getting $1 for every 1,000 views, and lately the number of views have dropped significantly. So let's say for 5 or 6 videos that I've uploaded last month, I'm getting like 50 cents. So it doesn't make any sense to continue to post as much as I did before. I have a couple of videos that are still doing great, but the amount of effort to record everything and to build everything, it doesn't make sense nowadays. Plus, I have to buy everything. I have to buy the components and all. So even for this particular one, I think it was around $30 for everything that it's inside. So if this video will make, I don't know, 500 views, but I don't think so, that means I will get 50 cents. So spending $30 and getting 50 cents doesn't really make sense. So I'll continue posting only what I will build for myself. I won't build anything that it's required in the comments on the other videos as I did until now, because for me it's just waste of time. Even I remember I had a requested video about changing the display on the A1 Bamboo Lab A1 that has 700 views now. After 1 month, that means 70 cents. So yeah, getting like $2 or $3 after 1 month, it's not gonna happen. I prefer doing something else on my free time. So this is the reason why the amount of videos has increased drastically in the last period. But getting back to this device in particular, as you can see, everything is fitted. Now we'll power it on and let's see what happens. I can go through the menu. I can even access some of the menu functions. And this is another issue. Once you start something, it's impossible to stop it. You can press any of the buttons. You can wait as much as you want. It can be stopped. You just have to unplug the power to stop everything. Otherwise, it won't stop. So this is again a flaw in the code. See, nothing happens. So I will just have to unplug the power so I can access a different part of the menu. I mean, not even the display is updated, so should be working as per the LED, but it's not. It's just stuck. Okay, let's unplug it and let's check another tab from the menu. See, the analyzer somehow it's working. It's the same issue. You can stop it. It does nothing. Cool. We don't have a solution for it, so let's stop it. Let's start it again. This starts, but it doesn't do anything. It restarts the device. Okay, so yeah, that's the behavior I was looking for. The spoofer, you can activate it, but it's not working, so it's not detectable. So useless. So Ripple also not working as it should. The scanning, it's working, but the thing is, everything is working based on ESP, so the code for the NRF modules is broken.